We're now going to talk about dilations. So let's zoom in and we're just going to look at this example before us. Okay, so we're dilating from the x-axis here. And as you can see, what's happening is we're taking the graph 3 to the x and we're multiplying the entire thing by 2. So let's really consider this for a moment. We know that if we take k, so that's our dilation factor, and times it by the entire function, what this is doing is we are dilating. That's not how you spell dilating, is it? Dilating by factor k from x-axis. That's what we're doing. So that means I'm taking every point. So this point right here, when x is equal to 1, I get 3 out. Well, now, if I multiply the entire graph by 2, as I'm doing here, that means I'm just multiplying this 3 by 2, and now I'm getting 6 out. So do you see how it's stretched it up? It's stretched it from the x-axis by a factor of 2. This also occurs for my y-axis intercept. So instead of being at 0, 1, I'm now timesing this 1 by 2, so now I'm up here. And as you can see, the entire graph is stretched up by a factor of 2 from the original graph here. Okay, let's put this onto our CAD calculator to get a look. Just go tab. So I've already got 2 to the x here. Let's go 5 times 2 to the x. Hit enter. And as you can see, the whole thing has been dilated by a factor of 2 up. Oh, sorry, by a factor of 5 up in this case, because our number here is 5. So what do you think my y-axis intercept is going to be in this case? Well, let's go menu. Let's go trace. Let's go graph trace. Now, it's on the blue graph. If I go up, it's now on this graph. If I hit 0 here and hit enter, it takes me here. And as you can see, 0, 5. So when I have a dilation factor of a factor of 5 from the x-axis, now my y-axis intercept in this scenario would be 5. So that's how a dilation from the x-axis operates. All right, we'll pause here and then we'll talk about another type of dilation.